Mikey asks, when does Kawasaki plan to release the R version of the 310? You don't mean the 330R? I don't think they're going to have a 310R. It'll be the 330R. What did Kevin say? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's a 310. Calm down. I did a video last year talking about the 330. It's like, oh my gosh, is there a 330? I had some people tell me that there's a 330R. I wouldn't bet on it. I think there'll be a 310R. It's gonna have a static aluminum handlebars and green sponsons and a special seat. Yeah, no, it'll be the 310R. I don't expect any really whiz-bang stuff out of it. I really don't. Powertrain will be the same. Sponsons are going to be the damn same. There's not going to be anything on there. It's going to be racing green because every knucklehead's got to have racing green, but it's not going to have a deck on it. It's not going to have a sound system on it. It will be the 310X with a different seat, black and green, with a fixed steering neck, just like it's always been. And it'll be a big fat letdown because guys like me want it to have a party wheel on it, and just make a little bit more boost and change the ride plate just a hair to bring the nose up. And the ECU will still totally kill it at 67 miles an hour. So it's going to burn like a rocket until it hits 67 and fall on its nose because they're out of California and they can't have California Cafe come down on them. They can't. The Cafe standards are tighter than the U.S. Coast Guard. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.